Let's imagine how our present and future could have been if the Sumerian civilization had not declined around 1900 BCE. But first, let's dive into the past. The Sumerian civilization, one of the oldest in the world, emerged around 4500 BCE in the fertile lands of Mesopotamia. The Sumerians were highly skilled farmers and developed a complex irrigation system, which allowed them to grow cereal crops and other plants in a dry climate. Thanks to their craftsmanship skills, they produced metal, ceramic, and textile goods that were highly valued in the region. The Sumerians were among the first people to use writing, developing cuneiform, one of the oldest writing systems in the world. They recorded their laws, religious texts, economic documents, and literary works on clay tablets, which have survived to this day and are a valuable source of information about their culture and way of life. The Sumerian civilization was divided into several independent city-states, each ruled by its own king, or Lugal. One of the most famous Sumerian cities was Ur, which was one of the wealthiest and most powerful city-states in the region. The Sumerians were a polytheistic people and worshipped a multitude of gods, whom they believed controlled various aspects of life. They built many temples and ziggurats dedicated to these gods, which are impressive architectural structures. The Sumerians were also known for their achievements in mathematics and astronomy. They developed a sexagesimal, base 60 counting system, which was later adopted by the Babylonians and other civilizations in the Near East. They also created the first known calendar, based on lunar cycles, and built the world's first observatories. The Sumerian civilization reached its peak around 2500 BCE, when it was unified under the rule of a ruler named Sargon of Akkad. Sargon created the world's first empire, which stretched from the Mediterranean Sea to the Persian Gulf. This people were among the first to use the wheel, revolutionizing the transportation of goods and the production of pottery. They were also among the first to brew beer from barley, which was used in religious rituals and celebrations. The Sumerians were advanced in the field of medicine and developed the world's first system for diagnosing and treating diseases, based on observing symptoms and using medicinal herbs. They were also among the first to use metal tools, making them from copper, bronze, and tin for the production of weapons, jewelry, and other items. The civilization was known for its achievements in music, crafting musical instruments such as lyres, harps, and drums, using them in religious rituals and celebrations. They were also among the first to use mathematics to measure areas and volumes, developing complex mathematical formulas to calculate the area of fields and the volume of grain stored in granaries. The Sumerians were also known for their achievements in architecture, constructing ziggurats, huge step towers dedicated to the gods, and palaces for their rulers. They were among the first to use seals for signing documents, making them from stone, metal, and other materials, and using them to authenticate their identity and authority. The civilization was known for its achievements in literature, creating the world's first works such as the Epic of Gilgamesh and the Enuma Elish, which tell of the exploits of gods and heroes. They were also among the first to use astronomy to measure time, observing the movement of stars and planets and using these observations to create a calendar and predict solar and lunar eclipses. The civilization declined around 1900 BCE when it was conquered by the Babylonians. However, the Sumerian legacy continued to influence subsequent civilizations in Mesopotamia and the Near East. But what if this empire hadn't collapsed, but on the contrary, had been expanding its influence worldwide? Let's imagine what the world would be like today. In this world, based on the development of the Sumerian civilization, a universal language became the foundation for all forms of communication. It became not just a means of exchanging thoughts, but also a symbol of the unity of all humanity. This facilitated an improved exchange of knowledge and culture, leading to faster progress in all areas. The technologies in this world were magnificent. The Sumerians, known for their remarkable knowledge of metallurgy and construction, created incredible mechanisms and machines. The cities of this world were adorned with stunning buildings in the Sumerian style, combining ancient traditions with modern technologies. One of the notable achievements of this world was the development of efficient renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines. This helped preserve the environment and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. The gods of the Sumerians, such as Anu, Enki, Inanna, and others, became not just objects of worship, but also symbols of various aspects of life. Anu, the supreme god of the sky, became a symbol of the greatness and cosmic path of humanity. Enki, the god of wisdom and magic, became a source of inspiration for scientific discoveries and technological innovations. Inanna, the goddess of love and war, became a symbol of the balance between harmony and protection. Medicine in this world was advanced. The Sumerians, through their telescopes and astronomical tables, developed treatment methods based on planetary cycles and astrology. Surgery became precise and effective due to knowledge of the human body and its anatomy. The Sumerians also developed numerous medicines based on medicinal plants and herbs. One notable achievement in medicine was the creation of artificial organs, which saved many lives. Wars in this world were much rarer because a unified culture and values turned the world into a place where conflicts were resolved through dialogue and cooperation. The Sumerian civilization, which became a model for all peoples of the earth, paved the way for a harmonious and prosperous society where every person could realize their potential and contribute to the common good. In this world, there was no need for an army, and all resources were directed towards the development of science, education, and the well-being of people. In the field of space exploration, humans have long conquered space. Lunar and Martian landing stations were commonplace, and travel to other stars became a reality. Interstellar ships, created in the image and likeness of ancient ziggurats, became a symbol of humanity's quest for knowledge of the universe. The Sumerians also developed new methods of space travel, based on gravitational waves and black holes, allowing speeds faster than the speed of light to be achieved. One interesting fact of this world was the popularity of Sumerian beer houses, which became not just places for relaxation and entertainment, but also centers of culture and communication. The Sumerians were known for their brewing skills, and many types of beer created by them became the national drinks of many countries. Overall, this world, based on the development of the Sumerian civilization, represented a harmonious and prosperous society where a unified culture and values turned the world into a place where every person could realize their potential and contribute to the common good. If you're interested in learning about other ancient civilizations and their alternative futures, feel free to write about it in the comments. I'll be happy to explore them with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the near future.